You may need to file an amended tax return if you made a mistake on your original return that affects your income, deductions, credits or tax liability. For example, you may need to amend your return if you received a corrected W-2 or 1099 form, discovered an error in your filing status or dependents, or forgot to claim a tax break that you were eligible for. To file an amended tax return, you will need to use Form 1040-X, Amended U. Individual Income Tax Return. You can file this form electronically for tax year 2019 or later Forms 1040 and 1040-SR, and tax year 2021 or later Forms 1040-NR. If you are amending a return for an earlier tax year or a different tax form, you will need to file a paper Form 1040-X. When you file Form 1040-X, you will need to explain the changes you are making and attach any supporting documents, such as forms, schedules or worksheets. You will also need to submit all necessary forms and schedules as if it were the original submission, even if some forms have no adjustments. This will help the IRS process your amended return faster and more accurately. If you are filing more than one amended return, you will need to mail them in separate envelopes and indicate the tax year of the return you are amending on the top of Form 1040-X. You can file up to 3 amended returns electronically. If you file a third amended return that is accepted, all subsequent attempts will be rejected. You can check the status of your amended return by using the Where's My Amended Return tool on the IRS website or by calling 866-464-2050. It may take up to 3 weeks for your amended return to show in the system and more than 20 weeks for it to be processed. Filing an amended tax return can help you correct errors and claim refunds that you may have missed on your original return. However, you should only file an amended return if you have a valid reason and if the statute of limitations has not expired. Generally, you have 3 years from the date you filed your original return or 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later, to file an amended return. If you have filed an amended tax return for 2022 or any of the previous 3 years, you might be wondering how to track the status of your amended return and when to expect your refund or payment. In this section, I will show you 2 ways to check the progress of your amended return online or by phone. The first way is to use the IRS website. You will need your Social Security number, date of birth and zip code to access this service. Go to https://www